Alright guys, coming at you with a new video here. I want to show you what I'm working on. It's been a little while since I posted a video. Got the mailbox post here. It got hit the other night by a large farm truck. So I'm going ahead and replacing the actual box part. It's down here, I'll show you. So the big truck backed into it. Actually has some security footage of the incident. I'll switch over to that and show you what it looks like here, but it's not too bad to replace. This is about a $15 box. I actually like this box. You know, when it's not getting hit and destroyed, it's pretty long. It's about 20 inches and it's got a good height and width to it. You can put a lot of stuff in here. And again, very easy to replace, not hard on the wallet here. So I actually hear a truck coming, so let's go ahead and take a look. There's actually one of these large farm trucks here that hit it. Actually, probably a little bigger than that one. But the good news is I settled up with the farmer. He stopped by after I flagged down one of his trucks. And he essentially just gave me 20 bucks and said, here, buy a new box. And sorry about that, I want to be a good neighbor. And told him I appreciate that and no hard feelings. And you know, I'm a DIYer, so this is a pretty easy fix here to do this. The good news is when the truck backed into it, only about 2 feet of this post is actually in the ground in cement. So when I pulled this out, it's pretty easy to service this box and so forth. And because it's only 2 feet in the ground, what happened was the post just kind of pushed back. There's some give there and it didn't snap the post. So I'll switch over now, show you the truck hitting the mailbox. And this video was taken just when it turned dark, so the infrared camera just turned on, so everything's kind of black and white. Alright guys, so here is the security footage from the driveway camera. Again, it's in black and white because the sun is set and it's gone into infrared mode. The truck will be coming in from the right of the screen. It will be turning into the driveway. It's busy because the farmers are cutting their fields and the corn. They're collecting the silage in these trucks. So here comes the truck. It's going to pull into our driveway, and then when it backs out, it's going to hit the mailbox. So once I told the farmer this, he was asking what kind of truck. I couldn't tell him what color because of the cameras, but I told him that it drove in and it backed out. And once he heard that, he immediately went for his wallet and offered the settlement. So there you go. Kind of ran over the mailbox right there. And so we just moved on and moved forward. No hard feelings here, but you know, video doesn't lie here. And you know, if you have cameras, you're gonna catch things. And it was pretty cool to go back and just find when this happened. We didn't realize this happened on Thursday night. We didn't check our mail on Friday, and then we noticed it on Saturday. So we went back a couple days, found out where the box was straight, and then when it was crooked, and narrowed it down to Thursday night. Alright, since pulling the post here, I did go ahead and spray paint this. I got a new sprayer that I'm using on a bunch of projects right now. I have like 3 projects going on, and I'm going to do a separate video on the sprayer, but I'll show you some footage here of me putting some paint on here. I really like to spray it because everything goes really quick, and you're not spending lots of time painting, just spraying things. It does take a little time to clean up the spray gun, but in the end, I think you save a lot of time. Alright guys, got it finished up here, painted. Got the numbers painted from black to white. The new box is on. I think it's decent. It's a mailbox. It's not an art piece, but should do the job pretty well. Let's go ahead and carry this over to the other end of the road, and we'll go from there. It's like Jesus carried the cross. Oh my God. Alright guys, I'm going to cut into this video right now and finish it up. I want to thank you for watching. Mailbox is installed, all ready to go. Hopefully we'll get many years of service and we won't have to replace this very soon. Thanks for watching. Again, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Check out the links below for Amazon, for the Mailbox, and some of the other things I used in this video to make the video, as well as the products that I use and endorse. Alright guys, catch you next time.